In the pub, Thursday night, March 1st, the Business Club proudly presents the triumphant return of the Dirty Bones, Willimantic's #1 party band. Come party with the Bones as they electrify the pub with their outlandish rock and roll. You'll hear incredible blues, astounding funk, and hard-driving rock and roll. The Bones have fully recovered from their recent Windham County tour, and they're ready to rock the pub like it's never been rocked before. Don't miss this amazing rock and roll event. Be at the pub Thursday night, March 1st. The Dirty Bones Band.